So the Samsung Galaxy S10's design has become a major topic of discussion among the tech community for a while now. There are a couple of pictures on the internet visualizing the S10's look, but we still have some sort of confusion about the Galaxy S10. It's all because of the sources, as some believe that there will be a hole in display tech on the upcoming S phone, while others have some good hopes for the Infinity look. Also, this confusion has reached to a next level because of 3 S phones launch next year. Obviously, there should be some differentiation among these 3 phones, but the question is how Samsung is gonna make it possible. According to me and some reliable sources, the S10 will feature a hole in display tech, as the Korean giant is not ready to use the under display technology, and this should be the easiest way to increase overall display area on the Galaxy S10. Now, to confirm this, we have a proper official leak or maybe a teaser for the 2019 S phone. Samsung has started rolling out the Pi Beta program on their flagship phones, and on the newest Note 9's Pi update, we have this as a device design in the night mode tab. The picture is very clear with a futuristic bezel-less design that may admire the S10. For those who don't know, Samsung has played this game in past. The Galaxy S7's Android Nougat beta showed the S8, the S8's Oreo beta showed the S9, so it's logical to believe this game played again on the Note 9 for the S10. Also, you shouldn't be expecting an all-screen design without a hole in display tag, as it will be there on the upcoming S phone. Additionally, according to a new information, the S10 will use Samsung's self-developed world's first 7nm EUV dual-core NPU chip on Exynos 9820. This AI tech will help Samsung to enhance camera and work with ISP for the S10. For more info, ISP used to control autofocus, exposure, and white balance for the camera system. We all know that there will be a triple camera setup on the S10, and with this technology, Samsung is gonna make it awesome. This will help the company to compete against its rivals. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.